All right, so welcome again to MG Sports Media. Thank you very much for joining me. And FIFA has officially announced the start date for the World Cup 2022 competition. Now, we're going to get into the details, but before we do that, I would really appreciate it if you guys smash that like button, and most definitely, if you're here for the first time, hit the subscribe button. The reason why you should hit the notification bell is because you won't miss, or you don't want to miss anything. And if you want to see the channel grow, guess what? Take away your grandmother's phone and hit the subscribe button on it. Just take away your grandmother's phone, your brother, your sister, your uncle, auntie, whichever person, even a stranger on the street, just grab their phone off. Hey, don't do that one. Just take away someone's phone. Go into YouTube, type in MG Sports, and hit that subscribe button. And I'm telling you, we will see growth here on this channel. But let's get to the details, people. We're going to go straight to the details. No need to be tarrying around, because FIFA, as I said, has officially announced the start date of the 2022 World Cup campaign. Now, FIFA has confirmed that this year World Cup will start a day earlier on November 20. The initial fixture list released last year saw the tournament beginning on Monday, November 21, with Senegal taking on Netherlands in the opening match. But with just 3 months to go before kickoff in Qatar, it has been decided to move the tournament forward by 1 day. FIFA has released a statement saying that Qatar versus Ecuador will now be the opening game, with kickoff at 1900 local time. That's Qatar time. The change ensures the continuity of a long-standing tradition of marking the start of the FIFA World Cup with an opening ceremony on the occasion of the first match featuring either the host or the defending champion. And that's quite good to be noted. Qatar versus Ecuador, no problem. People will enjoy that game same way. The decision followed an assessment of the competition and operational implications, as well as a thorough conciliation process and an agreement with key stakeholders and host country. Senegal clash with the Dutch will now take place on 1900 local time on November the 21st. Let's see if that's it. I think that is it. So officially, the dates are out now, people, so you guys can fill in your calendars, take out your calendars, drop that date in it. It's important that you squeeze in that date and then upload your calendars with the game and the time to keep you at check with your notifications on, with your calendar. That is the reason I'm saying hit the subscribe button. If you don't remember to do that, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and you'll surely, most definitely, not miss a match or even coverage. Maybe sometime biased, maybe sometime undiluted, but definitely you'll get consistent coverage of the FIFA World Cup. So, as I said, people, take away those phones, smash the subscribe button on it, just type in MG Sports TV, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, people, peace out.